exact yung 6 weeks and 3 days na nalaman ko. Binalikan ko. Parang dito siya, sa time frame na to siya na-conceive. Nagka-calendar po ako. Nalaman niya parang after 1 week nung nakabalik na siya doon. Sabi niya, uwi na ako ulit. Yun, hoping kami na sana, girl. Akala ko madali lang siya. Akala ko makakapag-work ako ng diretso. Pinaka-excited po ako is maturuan ko siya ng values ng pagiging good person. Hoping na makapagdala ako ng another bundle of joy sa family. Magkakaroon ako ng sarili kong doll. Alam ko na ma-lead niya yung mga kapatid niya sa future. Nung first time ko po nakita yung scan, nung ultrasound, ibang-iba yung pakiramdam nung nakita ko siya sa ultrasound.
We've been waiting for blue or pink, we decorated both. Friends and family gather close, cupcakes lined up, camera set, one balloon, one little secret left. Everyone's guessing, girl or boy. Hearts are pounding, bursting with joy. At our gender reveal party, we're lighting up the sky with confetti dreams and happy screams. Oh, how the moments fly. At our gender reveal party, we're laughing through the nerves. No matter what, this baby's love more than words could ever say. La 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 la. Come on now. It's not just
Sa mga pinagdaanan po namin pareho, this is a celebration po. Salamat po sa suporta and sa prayers po. Thank you po.
at our gender reveal party. The truth is
Okay,
in the
on the
air.
count of
We're
three,
dancing with
music.
excitement.
One,
There's magic everywhere.
two,
At our
three,
gender